Today I am going to show how to make a car. This is the car project and this is the first part. Okay, let's start. Now click this front plane and click sketch. Now sketch a center line from this origin point to this point. Right click and select OK. Now sketch a line from this origin point to this horizontal point. Right click and select OK. Again sketch line from this point to this vertical point. Right click and select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, make it 4841. Okay, just click enter and make it 400. Make it 800. Click enter. Okay, now right click and select OK. Now sketch a 3-point arc from this point to just choose 3-point arc from this point to this point. Just back and click and right click, select OK. Now go to a smart dimension from this point to this point. It will be 800. Click enter. Yes. Now this radius will be 700. Click enter and just click OK. Now right click and select OK. Now sketch a 3-point arc. Choose 3-point arc and just sketch 3-point arc from this point to this point, and just go back and sketch and right click, select OK. Now go to a smart dimension from this point to this origin point. It will make it 1000. Click enter and just it will be click on this radius will be 25,000. 100. Just click enter and click OK. Now again right click and select OK. Now sketch a 3-point arc from this point to this point and click and right click, select OK. Now go to a smart dimension from this point to this point. It will be 1600. Just choose 1600. Click enter and hide this this point to this point. This height will be 1200 and click enter and hide this point to this point. This height will be 1000. This will be 1000. Click enter and just click OK. This radius will be 1000. Click enter. Yes, OK. Now again sketch a line Now sketch a line from this point to this point and right click, select OK. Go to a smart dimension, this point to this point, this height will be 14,068. Click enter and just click OK. This height will this distance will be now yeah okay. Now a sketch line, just connect from this point to this point, right click and select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, make it 500, make it 500, click enter and just click OK and just make it 1150, click enter. Now again a sketch line from this point to this point, right click and select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make it 400, make it 400, click enter. Yes. Now right click, select OK. Now just connect from this point to this point and right click, select OK. Now go to a smart dimension and right click, select OK. Now go to this fillet, choose a fillet in this point, make it 400, make it 400, click enter and again make it 400 and just click OK. Now again choose this this corner, make it 100 and just click this and click this, make this 100 fillet, just click OK. Okay. Now again choose this fillet, it will be 700, click enter, just choose this corner, it will be 700, just click OK. Okay. Now see, our sketch is fully defined. Now see, this is our dimension, this dimension, this is our proper dimension. Okay. Now just click exit. Okay. Now go to this feature and just choose this plane and just first appearance it will be just front plane and this distance will be okay. Yeah. Now choose this to 2030 and just click flip offset and just click OK. Yeah. Now sketch a plane Okay, now just click on this plane and click sketch. Now click on this and just click convert entity. Click convert entity and click select chain and just select this line and just click OK. Now see, sketch is created. So now just click and select OK. Now again choose this sketch, just exit it and just click this sketch 1 and click edit sketch. Okay, now just go to this circle, sketch circle, one circle, and right click and select OK, and sketch another circle on this point and right click, select OK, and make it, go to a smart dimension, make it 800, and click enter. Again make it 800, click enter. Okay, and just right click and select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, make it this origin point to this center point, this distance will be 852, just it will be 852, click enter. Yes, just right click and select OK. Actually no need this, just I will trim this, and just select OK. Yeah. Okay, now go to a sketch and choose this 3D sketch. Now sketch line from this point to this point and right click, select OK. Again choose a line, a sketch from this point to this point and right click, select OK. Now go to, just exit. Now go to this surface and click boundary surface and click this line and click OK. Yes, and again choose this line and click OK. Now just right click on this open loop and just click flip connections. It is connect with this flip. Just go to this direction 2 and just click this line, sorry, just click cancel it, just click this line. Now see, it is automatically selected all the surface. Now just select OK. Now it is sketched. Now just go to this plane surface and select this edge, select the all edges, this edge, this and this and this edge, and this edge and this edge and this edge. Now select the all edges and just select OK. Now see, now go to this feature and just click reference geometry, just click plane, choose this first reference, choose front plane and make this distance 1015, click enter and just choose this flip side Now just select OK. Yeah. Now go to mirror and just choose mirror plane. Just choose this plane. This is the middle plane, and just go to this body to mirror. Choose body to mirror and just click this. This is our body to mirror, and just click OK. Now see, it is made as a plane. Now go to this thickness and choose this, and just choose mid plane and make it 2 millimeter thickness. Just click enter and just click OK, and again choose this space and choose thickness this, and choose this all faces. Just make it 2 millimeter and choose merge result and just click OK. Yes. Now again choose this space and click thickness and choose this 2 millimeter merge result and just click OK. Yes. OK. Now just click this space and click sketch. Now sketch a circle. Just sketch circle this, right click and click OK. Again sketch circle on this and click and right click and select OK. Now go to a smart dimension. Just make it 800. Make it 800. Just click enter, and again make it 800. Make it 800. Click enter. Okay. Now just this point to this origin point, make it 852. 852. Click enter. Again choose this point to this point, make it 1101. Just click enter, and make from this point to this point, make it 200. 200. Click enter, and again this point to this point, make it 200. 200. Click enter. Okay. Just click and right click, select OK. Now go to this feature and click extrude cut. Now see, now just choose this through all and just see, and just click OK. Now see, it is cut. Okay. This is the first part. In the next part we'll discuss about the next part, and I will make the next part step by step. Okay. Thank you for watching for this part.